We've wanted to do some low voltage outdoor lighting for a while now. So immediately when we unboxed, we noticed how high the quality was. This is the transformer that they sent to wire all of the products. We requested 4 pathway lights, and this was the transformer to make sure that everything would be wired properly. Again, it's low voltage, so it's very safe. Gardenreet is heavy duty brushed brass. It's waterproof, so here in Northeast Ohio, we can use it in the wintertime and in the rain. And then this is the pathway light. This is one of 4, and they are tall, which is nice, so that the light can shine down on your landscaping and your sidewalk, your path, so that people can see where they're walking. And everything is very high quality, heavy brass material. The transformer has a timer, so you can set when you want your lights on versus when you want them off, so that they're not just on all day using up your electricity. Right now it gets dark very early, so we're having them turn on about 4 o'clock, and they're on through the night, and they turn off at 7 a.m. Our outlet outside actually was broken, so this is the perfect time for Tony to test it and to replace our outlet. I always like to give him little projects to kind of motivate him to do things around the house, so this was perfect timing. So here we're setting up the wiring, and he is going to string the wire all along the back of my shrubs there, all the way around, because I wanted a spotlight on the end of the house to shine on my rose bush in the spring and the summer, and then another spotlight right there by the front door to shine on the front door. This lighting system can be used for your front landscaping, it can be used in your garden, it can be used however you want to use it for your home and for your family. I really wanted something that was going to illuminate the front of our house for aesthetics, but also for safety reasons. A lot of times, especially in the winter months, homes are very dark, and I just feel like this is an extra safety precaution. He is a great digger. He can dig so fast, so much faster than me. So I was praising him on his on his shoveling capabilities. So we dug a tunnel for the wiring so that we could bury it after the installation and it wouldn't be seen. So for the pathway lights, we were able just to push the plastic piece down, and then the wiring goes through it. There's a little hole on each side for the wiring to go through. And then you just screw on the leg, I guess that's what it's called. And it was pretty cool, the connectors that come with this wiring. He didn't have to do a whole lot of stripping of the wiring. They had little prongs on the end where they just poked right into the wiring where you wanted them to connect. So it was fairly quick to be able to install this, and we tested it out and it was successful. So here are the pathway lights, and then this is how it looks at night. I'm so pleased with it. We are so happy with this product. If you are looking for some outdoor lighting, I think that you will really be happy with this purchase. So thank you, Gardenreet, for sponsoring today's video.